Hello friends, now we are going to see how to shift a parent from body to word. So here we have animation like this. Here actually I want to adjust the body here and there, but the thing is when we adjust it, actually it is affecting on the hand position. So but the thing is actually I want keep this hand on world position, so that it will not affect when we adjust our body. So but initially from here to here it has to be parent to the body only, but from here actually it should be parent to the world. So for that what we are going to do is first select this hand controller and first identify the frames from where you want. So from here I want to keep this in wall space till here. So I want to keep the remaining animation as it is. So first what we have to do, first I will delete this previous locators. For this I am going to take one locator, go to the create and locate. So I am going to constrain this locator, go to the parent and turn off this option so that it will this locator will come to exactly the center of this hand controller. Just click on add. Now select this both controllers and from here, right, so press yes button so that it will create a key for this locator also. So, but first time when we give a key, so it will blend parent will be 0, but you just turn on to 1. So now select this both controllers and go to the next frame and press yes. So now we have keys. We have keys to the locator exactly where the hand controller has. So now we don't want this constraint, we can delete this constraint. Okay, now select this hand controller and shift to wall space. So from here to here I want this hand parent should be wall, but when you do that, but it will affect an animation, but don't worry. So now what we are going to do is select this locator and select the hand controller, constrain it in opposite way. Actually earlier we locator constraint to the hand controller, now hand controller is constrained to the locator. So click on parent so that hand controller will come to exactly the center of the locator. Now click on this, select this both controller and give a key on every keyframe locator has. So now you can delete this constraint. Go to the edit and delete by constraint. So now we don't require this locator. Now if we see in initial, actually it is parented to the body, the left hand. So once when he is touching to the ground, so there we shifted to the parent to the world. So now we can, if you want, you can do any adjustment on the body, so it will not affect on the hand actually till here. So for this kind of things, actually we have tools in Animator, AI tools, and we have some other scripts, but we don't have that scripts, so we can use this method to shifting the parent to from the body to world, world to body, from chest to world as per our requirement. For this kind of things, actually in Animator we'll check that tool how it works in next videos. Thank you so much for watching this.